So we have an unboxing here for the trailer parts for the Bantam stroke M100 trailer. This is from Classic Jeep Parts in Sweden. Took about 5 days to get here. What we have here is the cable to the brakes, the brand new one. We have the wiring fixing kit. See there. We have a castle nut, and that will be for the front leg swing down to pivot on. We have washer sets for the lunette, and a nut for the L lever on the handbrake. And then what we have left here is 4 reflectors that will fit on the Jeep trailer. The trailer wiring clip, if we go back to that, has a connector to blackout taillight left side, trailer wiring harness to body, coupling socket cable A-frame channel, coupling socket cable to drawbar bracket, wiring harness through side member, and wiring harness through cross member. So the rubber grommets, etc. It's all in there. If we open it up, you can see what comes in the kit. As detailed there. These are the washers that fit on the spacing between the lunette and the spring in between. I've got a couple of sets of those, and just bog standard castle nut. So that's that all sorted there. And then, as detailed earlier, this is the brake cable. All of the fixings. Necessary. So yeah, that's pretty much all the bits now needed to complete the trailer.